Welcome. Today we are going to prepare English potato scallops. This is Vicky's Kenyan kitchen. Enjoy. Here are my ingredients. I have Irish potatoes, wheat flour, cooking oil, egg, turmeric, chili pepper or masala, salt, salad cream, hot chili, and ketchup. Water. I'll be doing for between 5 to 10 minutes. Know that potatoes are rich in carbohydrates that play a key role in improving your weight. However, potato peels contain minimum amount of fat, cholesterol, and sodium. This is the reason why a low skin can be interested part of your weight loss diet plan. The same reason why I'm not going to peel our potatoes. So while potato is boiling, we will be mixing our other ingredients. Heat our oil while I cut the potatoes. Our potatoes, scallops, are ready. I've garnished them. I also have my sauce here. But before I show you how to use this, I will first introduce my guests. On my left, I have Clara.
Hi guys.
On my right, I have Angie, my last guest in the house.
Hi guys.
She requested to come back and I couldn't say no. So we are here. I'm gonna show you how you can mix your sauce. This is hot chili. It will go into the ketchup. Yes. Salad cream. Whoosh. I'm going to serve our guests. This is a very nice sauce you can use to eat potatoes.
We were eating potatoes a lot. It's so delicious. I have never tried it. I mean, Vicky has to tell us what is the magic behind this food. It's so delicious. And this is my second time here. Guys, you have to try this. I love it. I love the food, and I go where good food is. That's why I'm here. Yes.
Yes.
Vicky.
You're welcome. Me hata sipo huko sikia. I'm eating. It's so yummy. I couldn't take my hands off this. I'm really enjoying it, especially the sauce. I mean, you would agree with me. The sauce,
And at least today I have seen how this sauce is being mixed, because I'm used to, maybe I eat it somewhere and I'm like, it's so nice. I don't know. I thought like it comes already mixed in a bottle. So today I have seen how Vicky mixed it.
yeah.
You can have it with anything.
Yeah, even
So
chips.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
It,
Or choma. Yeah.
very nice.
Grilled
Delicious.
beef. Yeah, anything, yeah. You're welcome. Yeah. Clara, you've been commenting and wanting to taste.
The food is extremely delicious. So yummy. The sauce is very sweet. Actually, I've been reading comments on Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen page. That is what brought me to come and have a taste of her food. And I can tell you guys, Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen is a place to be. And yes, and I'm actually looking forward to coming back again.
Okay, and have you ever tried to mix the sauce thing?
No, this is my first time to taste this, and I can say it is just wow. Yes. The potatoes are sweet, they are tasty and crunchy. Yeah. Okay.
I'm very happy to have you guys here with me. You for the second time, and I give you a round of applause. And this goes for my viewers. Actually, you encourage me more, you subscribe. So if you're joining us for the first time, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I plan to come up with more recipes. I personally choose my guests randomly from WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And if you want to be part of Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, drop your comments in comment section. If you have any recipe that you want us to cook, drop your comments and I will select guests to come and cook with us.